Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to crossblogX TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. Yes, and please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Yes, today's update is about my beautiful, elegant, gorgeous queen, Dr. Queen Naomi Shilekunla Mama Tadenikawo. She celebrated her baby sister's graduation. She graduated, and as you can see in this video, they both look so sweet, so fabulous. Um, you can see the joy in their face. Queen Naomi is really proud of the baby sister. She came online, she announced it, and she's happy. Let me read what she wrote. She said, "How we step out for my baby's convocation today. Congratulations, Omomi. We are proud. Oluwaseun. Oluwaseun." Queen Naomi is really proud of her sister, her baby sister. You can see that they really look alike. Yeah, please drop a comment down below. And they so much look alike. Yeah, and the beauty that runs in this their family. Yeah. Is I don't know. I don't know what I can say. They are both beautiful. They are happy. Even here, you can see in this other video, Queen Naomi and Oluwaseun and the mother, they are in the car and they are praying for her. Every mother wants to see their children doing good, doing well. And aside all the problem going on here and there, all the issues coming out, all the whatever in the palace, Queen Naomi moved on with her life. All her family have moved on. They are happy. They are doing one good thing or the other. They are not concerned about any olori or whatever in the palace. This woman has moved on with her life. You can see them glowing, beautiful. See the smile, the genuine smile. And this lady, I just love her. I love her family for one thing. I love the way they celebrate themselves. I love the way they all carry themselves. Oh, Oluwaseyi, Aburo, Mama Tadenikawo from crossblogX TV, we congratulate you. Congratulations. Go into the world and start making money. Yes, get a good job, good husband. From crossblogX TV, we wish you the best. Yes, please drop a comment down below. What do you think about Naomi and her family? They left the palace and their life has turned around for greatness. No regrets, nothing, no sadness. I love them. They have moved on with their life. From ever since Queen Naomi left the palace, we have just, the only thing we see about her is good things, looking more beautiful, looking, more opportunities, so many good things happening in their life. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. I know a lot of my subscribers, they love Queen Naomi. Naomi Shilekunla Mama Tadenikawo Temi Nikan. I love the way you celebrate your family. I love you so much. You're doing wonderfully well. I'm loving your outfits. Wow, you look so beautiful. You look so gorgeous. Oh my God. No too much makeup. No earrings. She's really dressed like all this, all these European queens. Yeah, but she's very beautiful. Olori Naomi Temi Nikan, you are beautiful. Even her sister is beautiful. The beautiful runs in their family. Even their mother, she's glowing more and more. Hey God, help us. So yeah. Tíyàn bá kọ́kọ́ lẹ̀ omi pé káyé èèyàn dẹ̀ bàjẹ́ àbí ká jáde láyé. No, their life has moved on, and that's just the way God God has designed everything. From crossblogX TV, Oluwaseun, we wish you all the best. We wish you, congratulate you. Please don't forget to drop a comment. What do you think about Naomi and her family? They have so many celebrations, so many good news back to back. I just love them for that. I love them for that. Yes. To all my subscribers, all crossblog subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. You too, you always have a reason to be celebrated and you'll be celebrated in Jesus' name. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you for your comments and share. Thank you so much. God bless you and stay tuned. Bye.